The NASDAQ 100 QQQ as of the middle of this afternoon breaking out higher. That's awesome. More on that in a second. CPI is not responsible for the higher stock market today. What is responsible, like I shared with you on Monday and Tuesday, is in the immediate term and medium term, we pretty much maxed out on fear. When you max out on fear, there's nowhere to go but up. Think about the saddest or the most fearful you have ever been. You're not at that stage right now. You come back from those emotions. That's exactly what's happening. It's what the financial news shows blame the up day on in the market, but it has very little to do with that and so much to do with all of the people in this correction that we're going to sell once they all agree that the stock market's horrible and they sell out. Think about it. It only takes one buyer to then start that reversal back upwards, and that's what's happening. But be aware, the financial news shows are blaming the up day on CPI. If you follow my channel, you know I want to see a weaker dollar. The dollar only a tiny bit fractionally weaker today, pretty much flat. But the 10-year yield as of the middle of this afternoon, down big today. This is spectacular. This is awesome. I get it, it's only by 0.01, but so far we do have an unconfirmed breakdown below 4.66%. That is great. So hopefully tomorrow, or at least the next day, we come lower, confirm that breakdown, and if we can continue to see these lower borrowing costs, the stock market should go up from there. So the next thing I want to see is the confirmed breakdown below 4.66%. Then I'd really love to see a confirmed breakdown below 4.54% on the 10-year yield. So watch these levels. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. And what a day here on the NASDAQ 100 QQQ. Up big. So far making an unconfirmed breakout above about $513 a share. That's excellent. The next thing I want to see is a close meaningfully higher that would confirm the breakout above that level. I then want to see a confirmed breakout above that next white horizontal line at about $523 a share. I then want to see a confirmed breakout above that white trend line that's trending upwards. I then want to see a confirmed breakout above the fake out breakout that we had mid-late December, labeled as number 4 there. And then ultimately, I want to break number 5 and make brand new all-time highs. So again, there are your levels to watch. Like I have shared with you the other 2 times over the last month where I think we have kind of made a little bottom here and can start to come up and then it fakes out again. We have to see the underlying data continue to be strong. If it dies again, the market will fall again. One day does not make a trend, so far so good, but here is the McClellan Summation Index, a measurement of breadth of the market, not only how many stocks are finishing higher or lower on the day, but how much higher and how much lower. As of the middle of the afternoon here, so far trending nicely upwards. Again, this has to continue or else stocks will fall again. Because I do my own research, because I understand the pendulum swing of those underlying emotions, it allows me to decouple my beliefs, my emotions, my gut reaction that so many people invest with, and it allows me to invest based on the facts. It allows me to get off of that emotional pendulum swing. Would you like to get off that emotional pendulum swing? This is why people do business with me. US oil up nicely today. You know I started shorting US oil yesterday. It's okay, I am not selling, or actually buying, because that's how you reverse a short position. Making a confirmed breakout so far above $78.60 a barrel. Could easily run a little further here to $80.88 a barrel. I don't think it gets really higher than that. I can be wrong, but continue to watch these levels, and I will continue to hold my short West Texas Intermediate crude, that oil position. Who knows, TikTok could go away for a little while. I don't think it goes away for very long. It's too popular of an app. But if we are no longer on the air here on TikTok on Monday, you can already find me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Just look up Crocker Capital in each of those.